Y'all people, for y'all slow people out there that don't know what this says and everything, let me help y'all out. It says giant ice Oreo got milk. Let's put it all together. Giant size Oreo got milk. For some of y'all slow people out here. I mean, it's just a big old cookie. Whatever, if y'all didn't know that already. I mean, you can look at the pictures, you know, and see that. But it's a 95 Chevrolet Suburban sitting on the black 24. Last year was black on black. Had to do something different. Had to come out with something different this year. Let's come to the back. You got the barcode. You got the nutrition facts back here for y'all people on a diet or whatever. You know, counting your calories. Got 415s. Look like a pro box, but it ain't a pro box. My buddy built that, Joe, my box guy. Me and him basically hook up everything. But him and his brother built that. In and out port. I can't get this box anywhere. Had to have him to build it. Got them 6-inch tips on the back. Got them peanut butter guts. Everybody thought it was in the paint shop. It's been out. I had most of it done around October, September last year. Put 2 more speakers in the door. Put the 2 speakers in the door. Got the 3 TVs. Got the visors, 12.2 inches. Size does matter. That's what she said. Got the navigation Pioneer flip out. Come to the front. Got the Range Rover grill in it. Some of y'all don't know what it is. Let me turn them headlights on for y'all. Got them HIDs in it. And when you see me on the highway, don't throw your lights on bright, because I might throw them back on bright on you. I got the high and low. Let me pop that hood for y'all. Y'all probably ain't seen a truck this year model with chrome up underneath the hood. It's 383 stroker. Gotta have that grown man. And you gotta have that fresh motor, you know, you feel me? I mean, that's about it, you know. I mean, this right here is just a sight to see. Just a sight to see. Oh, one more thing. There's another sight y'all need to see. Y'all got them one-touch sunroofs out there. Gotta have that one-touch windows roll up by themselves. Not even in the truck.